So SRB Miner released a new miner. It's been a while. I guess SRB Miner's the only one releasing new updates at the end of the day. This came out 2 days ago, and they added a new algorithm called CLC hash for CLC crypto, and it is CPU mining with a 2% fee. They also did some performance improvements on curve hash for CPUs and some minor bug fixes. For the GPU guys here, nothing to see, move on. But if you are interested in maybe catching a new algorithm and a new cryptocurrency early, well, CLC hash could be it. And maybe we'll do a WTF is on CLC crypto next week. So if you're interested in that, let me know and we will get that covered. We already covered this topic in particular, and we have already covered, well, let's talk about this one because this one is important. That's right. Okay. So BitDeer's secures $60 million to boost Bitcoin ASIC production amid record hash rate. And it is for self-mining. Now remember, they were talking about why BitDeer is going up in stock prices compared to other miners, and it is because they're working towards developing their own and manufacturing their own chip and actually running them themselves too. So they'll build them, they'll mine on them, they'll, pay for the power cost, all that sort of stuff. And that is, obviously extremely bullish in the stock market. Bitcoin mining firm BitDeer secured $60 million in loans to ramp up its Bitcoin ASIC manufacturing efforts as global mining competition intensifies amid record-breaking network hash rates. According to its annual report, BitDeer entered a loan agreement in April with affiliate firm Matrix Port, a crypto financial services company founded by BitDeer's chairman, Yuan Wu. I think I said that right. The facility offers up to $200 million backed by BitDeer's ZIL miner hardware with a floating interest rate of 9% plus market benchmarks. As of April 21st, BitDeer had drawn $43 million from the credit line. The latest funding adds to a $17 million unsecured loan obtained in January alongside previous capital raises totaling $572.5 million via convertible notes in 2024. BitDeer also issued over 6 million shares, raising nearly $119 million in equity markets this year. In February of 2025, BitDeer acquired a fully licensed 101 megawatt gas-fired power project near Fox Creek, Alberta for $21.7 million in cash per the annual filing. The site, with potential to scale up to 1 gigawatt, includes all necessary permits for construction and a 99 megawatt grid connection. The power plant is set to be developed with an EPC partner and is expected to be operational by the fourth quarter of 2026. In March, the company also purchased 40 megawatts worth of liquid-cooled mining containers from Heat. More recently, it was reported that BitDeer is expanding its self-mining operations and investing in United States-based production. The shift came in response to cooling demand for its mining hardware from other miners. Quote, "Our plan going forward is to prioritize our own self-mining," said BitDeer's head of capital markets and strategic initiatives. Additionally, on February 28, 2025, BitDeer launched a $20 million share repurchase program effective through February of 2026. To date, it has repurchased 1,056,500 Class A shares valued at about $12 million under this program. A higher hash rate indicates that more miners or more powerful machines are competing to solve Bitcoin blocks. As competition rises, each individual miner's chance of earning block rewards decreases, implying declining profitability. Further hurting miner revenue are low transaction fees. As of now, the average Bitcoin transaction fee hovers around $1, down from over $16 per transfer in April last year, according to YCharts. The low transaction fees and rising hash rates forced public miners to sell over 40% of their Bitcoin production in March, the highest since late 2024. Firms like Hive, Bitfarms, and Ionic Digital reportedly sold more than 100% of their monthly output. Ooh. But I mean cash flow. Right now, if you can cash flow and survive, things are pretty good. I hope you enjoyed this clip from the Crypto Mining Show. If you would like to see more from this particular episode, take a look up here. Don't forget to also subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support me directly, you can go to sonofatech.locals.com and become a member. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next Tuesday.